Beautiful, right? There's no question electric vehicles are the future. So what's the hold-up?
Well, for the majority of people, electric vehicles still are not convenient. There's the risk of running out of power, having to find a charge point, and then waiting ages for the car to charge.
Now, there's a lot of smart people around the world working on technology that allows an electric vehicle to get 20 miles from each minute of charge.
But that's only half the problem, and this is where we come in. Because if you want to fast charge one of these, you're going to need a fast charger like this. But fast chargers need a lot of power. And when all these fast charge electric vehicles hit the market, they're going to need to be plugged in. But the current power grid wasn't built for this demand. And the cost of upgrading the entire system is going to be, well, let's just say a lot.
Now, my team and I have been solving industrial energy problems for the last 10 years. Working with top minds from the best universities and government, and in partnership with industry, we have now turned our attention to developing a state-of-the-art energy storage product. It works like this. Electricity from the main power grid flows slowly into our mechanical battery when there are no cars to charge. When a fast charge electric vehicle turns up, the energy stored in the mechanical battery is transferred quickly into the car. All the while, the grid is operating normally without worrying about big power spikes. As more of these fast charging units appear around the country, it will be convenient to hop from one electric fueling point to the next, saying goodbye to range anxiety and long charging times. Our product is super easy to install. It comes out of the van, plugs into the grid, and now your charge points are ready to go. And our system is completely scalable. We know it's hard making infrastructure investment decisions when you don't know when all these electric vehicles will hit the road. With our product, you don't have to. You can just add more units as and when you need them. This allows you to install a fast charge point where previously there wasn't enough power. Petrol stations, workplaces, roadside chargers, car parks, urban and rural areas, anywhere that a boost in power is needed to support the next generation of electric vehicles, and all at a much lower cost than the alternatives. Fossil fuels are yesterday's technology. We need to start investing in tomorrow's.